Hey everyone, welcome back to the Workcast Tech. So guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix your Apple ID review error showing on your Apple ID. In this video, I will show you how you can fix that. So let's start video without wasting any of your time. First of all, you need to open your iPhone settings. Okay, in settings section, you can see appears on screen review Apple ID phone number. Okay, just tap on that. Okay, after tapping that, it will take some time. You can see a person screen. It's showing review Apple ID phone number. Just tap on a review phone number, and after that, you can see a person screen. It's asking, is still is this still your phone number? You can see a person screen. Keep using change trusted phone number. Just tap on keep using because I have the same phone number right now here. Okay. After that, you can see a person screen trusted phone number. Tap on done and it will take some time. You can see a person screen right now. Apple ID review error disappear from your Apple ID. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix this kind of error if you are showing your error on Apple ID. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.